Welcome, from is an Alcatel 3X, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, we'll need to power off the device by holding the power key, selecting power off, and simply waiting for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up till you see the Alcatel logo on the screen. There we go, at which point you can let go of the keys. And from here, using volume keys to navigate, you want to select either the second or third option, so reboot to bootloader or fastboot mode. Now, I did say we're going to boot into fastboot mode, and both of those options will take you to fastboot mode. So once you select it, press power key to confirm it, and there we go. As you can see, we're now in fastboot mode. The difference with this being, if we go back, and you go through bootloader, it will take you to fastboot mode, but it won't be the same. You will have a fastboot mode rating at the bottom right here. And to leave from here, instead of just selecting reboot or power off the device like we had before, to leave this mode, we'll just have to hold power key and volume down till fastboot mode disappears from the screen. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically turns back on. And there we go. So as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.